Hello and welcome to Unix Basics 101. Today we're going to be looking at finding files and text editing. Now there are two main ways to access a file, which is either linearly by accessing the directory the file is in and going through it manually, or you can do this by using the find command. Now let's show both ways. So for example, if I wanted to access test program in new directory, I would have to go cd new directory, and I could find it by either listing it, or if I knew it straight away, if I knew the name of the file straight away, I could just do cat test program, and there it is. But if I did not know it was in new directory, I could use a find command. You have to put find name, and then the name of the program, so test program, and it would show me the location of that file. Now you can also specify a directory as well, so if I knew it was in new directory, and then I do -name test program. There it is. You can also use an asterisk if you do not know the file name. So for example, if I knew it was in new directory, but I did not know the name of the program, but I knew I was looking for a test program, I could do test asterisk, and it would show me that it's in that file. You can also do this throughout the system. So for example, -name, I'm looking for all files or programs with a test file name. And there it is. And that's the one I'm looking for. Cool. Let's move on to text editing. Down here. So for text editing, I usually use Picto, but there are other ways that you can use it within the terminal, but I find Picto much easier. So let's go back into new directory. And for example, I want to go into pico test.txt. I want to edit some text inside that text file. So all I do is picto, and then I type out the file name, and there we go. And now I can edit the contents inside it. I can remove, edit, or add text. So for example, let's say there are 7 days in a week. Now there are some shortcuts that you can use in Picto. Control O to save files. So let's save the file. Command O. Now what I wrote in the file is saved. You also have Control X, which is close. Control K to cut text, and Control U to paste text. So those are a quick rundown of finding files and text editing. Yeah, you can practice through them. It's pretty easy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Bye.